Hey, have you ever wondered how people make money online by selling and buying currencies? You get covered. Here you are in the right place. I'm going to explain what is Forex trading in a simple way, the understandable language. Now, I want to welcome you. Thank you for subscribing. And if you've not yet, please subscribe so that you don't miss the next episode because it's coming soon and it's very important. Now, since you gave me your time, I want to value it. I told you, I want to be transparent here. You know, Apostle Paul says that I speak or I talk about those things that I know and I understand. So now I also promise you that you will get what you expect and even more than. Now, I request you to get a book or somewhere to note because you may need to be noting some few terms so that you don't get confused. Now I start. What is Forex? Because it's the question everywhere. What is Forex? Forex trading. You hear Forex, Forex trading. Now I'm starting. Forex is simply the foreign exchange. You know, foreign exchange. You change currencies of different nations. You may be having a syringe. Now I'm a Ugandan here in Kampala. So when I go to US, that means I need to change the currency from Ugandan currency to the euro, or the USD, such that I use the other USD. But remember, sometimes some currencies are greater than others, like euro USDs greater than the shilling. So when I go there and I get the shilling, it means I make some losses because the other one is stronger than my national's currency. When you go to Kenya and change, that means still you will need to make a loss or a profit. Now, who trades? You and me, we can trade. Banks trades, governments trades, big institutions trades, many people trades. Only that people doesn't want to tell you that trading is real. Only that others who fails, who doesn't get it right, they start calling it a scam. Now I'm here to make everything right. Let me ask you a question. Put the answer in the comment section. Buying euro or buying a JPY or buying a yen, you go to a Forex bureau. You remember those days we had Forex bureaus, and I think they are still there. Maybe you buy a currency and come back. So where is coming? So it's understanding, and Forex here is risky. So I want you to trade. Don't go trade live without the knowledge, enough knowledge. So I'm here to guide you step by step. Now we have got to know what is Forex, because it's all about exchange. You go and get another currency, and you get, say, euro against another currency, against JPY. So it's all about you to understand. Now, you know, I promise to be more clear, the language that we understand. Now in currencies, we have what we call pairs. Not this, pairs. A pair, those are the two. What does it mean? If I have a shilling, I want to buy a euro. That means a pair. I've already paired the currencies. Euro or shilling against euro. Or I'm having a euro. I want to buy a JPY. So that is already a pair. So you pair up. Make sure, what do I want to trade? What do I want to buy or to sell? What do I have? So in my pocket, if I have 10 or 100 USDs, that means the currency that I want to buy, that is already, I've paired them. So I have to make a difference. So we trade the difference. I make a difference that if I'm taking a euro to buy a JPY, what is the difference? Will I make profits or I make losses? Now that is the ordinary language, the ordinary understanding. So number two, why do we trade? Why do we trade? We trade to earn, of course, get profits, personally and the others. We trade gaining freedom. This means we have time freedom because we trade. The financial market opens Monday to Friday. That means you have the freedom to trade anytime you feel like that session is moving well for you. So now we have location. The moment you have internet, that is done. You have everything. Once you have internet, village or town, you have everything. You can trade. That means location, freedom. I can go anywhere, and I wake up, I trade. So that is it. You avoiding 9 to 5 jobs. You have bosses pushing you up and down. No. Here you are the boss. You don't have any boss. Gadgets. What do you need to start trading? It's very simple. Just you need a phone. A phone is enough. And the knowledge. And the knowledge, you are in the right place. You are in the right hands. I'm going to give you the full knowledge of how to start. I told you it is risky. Don't risk money before you understand. Are we together? Now, we have people on the live. This video, for those who are very new, you cannot trade. I can't allow you to trade now. But as we go, next episodes, I'll allow you. Now, I have people on the live session. We are moving. Those on live. Yeah, those on live. I want to show you where we are. Those on live. Those on live. Before I continue, I said I'm giving you unfiltered video. Say that you understand. Take your time, please. I argue that watch the video from the start up to the end. Say that you get everything in its fullness. Now, those on live, we are here. Hope you are seeing. We are in $200 now, profit. Yeah, 200. We are heading to our TP very soon. People don't look at all this money and think it's mine. No, I have investors. I work with investors, so we share profits. What's our TP? Let me show you here. We are just moving. Yeah, we are moving. This is a ratio of 1 to 4. Ratio of 1 to 4. You can see it. And now we have entered $300. $300. Please don't see this man and think it's all mine. No, I have investors. I work with investors that we share at a given period of time. Now we are going back to Forex. Now, after knowing that we have pairs, you have to decide which currency or which pair should I trade. Which pair has a lot of volatility, like it has a lot of demand. We can talk of a dollar. You know, I have friends, my friends in Kenya, you like dollar. You don't want even to touch Kenyan shillings. Wow. Even in Uganda, I have some. But we know that a dollar is stronger. Yeah, we can compare it to other currencies, but at least it moves. So now, here we say that after knowing that, not the broker. These things we use brokers. You cannot go direct. Big institutions can, but for you, you are a retailer. You know, for us, we go in the market, we come back, and be expectant. There are some terms we are going to introduce in our next episode. Please make sure don't forget, because we are going to move step by step. Up to the time, after registration, after the day, I will say that now you can go live. So those are some of the words, the terms we have: buy, selling. You know, I'm passing through to give you the clear picture. Now here we do only two things. We buy and sell, nothing much. Buying and selling, but you have to know where to buy from and where to sell from. Giving an example. When you go to a Forex bureau and buy your dollars, say 100, so you have to know where to sell them. You have to sell them when the dollar has gone stronger. Say that you make some profits, not just selling anyhow that we just play. Some of you, there is a way how people does. I have a friend of mine, he told me just presses buy and sell. Oh, so, and he enters prayer. This is not gambling. This is not betting. The principles, how the market moves. In fact, the second episode up from this, we are going to learn how market moves. Yeah, how it moves. We have candlesticks. We are going to see an open picture on the chart. What is a chart? How does it look? You know, like, and how do we use it? So I'm going to give you in the next episode. Make sure you subscribe, you like, put the bell, so that whenever I drop, you listen, you watch, you note everything. But I'm very sure that you have now a clear image, clear picture of what we do, of what Forex trading is if you are a beginner, because this is your episode. It's all about buying the difference. Yeah, we work in the difference from a certain or a base currency to a quote or another currency, just the difference. If I find that now, let me give you an example. A dollar now is buying is buying 3,800 Ugandan shillings now. But now if I go and buy it at that rate, I need at least to sell it when it is 3,900 or 4,000, such that I get the profit. That is all about it. Now, here we do it online. You don't need to carry a full bag of money, going in town, streets, risky things. No. Here, you get your money online and sit. So you walk with your phone, you work anywhere, in a taxi. So I'm promising you that from this episode that we are going to touch, the next I'm organizing it. I told you I'm organizing a full course. You'll be ready to trade, and you will start small. I've been trading for 5 years now, but being full-time, it is only 2 years. So I'm a full-time trader. So I know what to do. I know what risk management means. I know what equity means. I know everything in the market. Trust me, you are in the right hands. You are going to move together. Mondays at 10 p.m. we have live sessions. We trade together. That means we lose together or we make profits together. I welcome you. Make sure Monday 10, every Monday 10, we are trading live. So please follow. You may be a beginner, but you can follow. And learn to watch from the start to the end, such that you don't miss anything in that topic. If you have any question, if you have any compliment, please put it in the comment section. I'm ready to answer you. I'm ready to explain anything that you have not got. The next lesson or the next episode, we are touching charts, candlesticks, the formation as the charts are. As I showed you that I'm with our friends, have other friends, we are trading live because they are following. I can, even if I bring it here that now you buy, you sell, you know nothing. So as we started, I showed you that we were in 200. So here we are approaching $400. Our target today is just 1K, 1.2. Yeah, 1.2K is our target. So tomorrow or next episode, you get to know the charts, how they work, how the market works, what are these candlesticks, you see. So tomorrow you get to know everything. Make sure, stay tuned.